Welcome. Take a moment to put yourself into a relaxed position and go ahead and just arrive. Take a slow breath in through the nose. Let it reach the back of the heart and exhale gently through the mouth, as if the breath itself were light leaving the body. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Allow the shoulders to melt, the jaw to release, the belly to soften, and feel the weight of your body support it. In this stillness, you are safe. The world pauses around you. And let the awareness sink from the mind into the chest, into the rhythmic intelligence of your heart. And I invite you now to place one hand over your heart and sense its pulse, the quiet conversation between life and consciousness. Each beat is an affirmation. I am alive. I am here. I am held. And imagine a gentle golden light expanding beneath your hand. With each breath, it grows. From the size of a seed into a radiant sun. I am alive. I am here. I am held. The golden light getting bigger and bigger with every breath. This is the field of gratitude, the most coherent frequency that body can produce. In neuroscience, when gratitude is felt sincerely, the limbic system softens. The vagus nerve harmonizes and inflammation decreases. Your body remembers wholeness. Bring your attention to the rhythm of your breath. Slow, even, effortless. Inhale for a count of 5. Hold 1, Exhale. 5. Pause. 1. Inhale for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 1. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. 1. And continue to breathe in this way. And as you breathe this way, imagine your heart and brain synchronizing like two instruments tuning to the same note. This is coherence, your nervous system returning to its natural rhythm of safety. Now visualize a moment, perhaps a recent one or one in the past, that evokes genuine gratitude. It may be a smile, a sunrise, a hand that once held yours. See it, feel it. Let your body register the emotion. Then magnify it. Allow the sensation to expand beyond the chest, filling the entire room. You are not thinking about gratitude, you are becoming it. And in the quantum field, identical vibration attract. By sitting in gratitude, you summon experiences that mirror this frequency. And the more you feel it, the more reality rearranges to meet you there. And imagine this field of gratitude flowing into every organ, into the liver, releasing stored resentment, into the lungs, dissolving grief, into the stomach, easing worry, into the brain, quieting overthinking, and every cell becomes happy and healthy, whispering, "Thank you, thank you, thank you." Let this light travel backward in time, touching moments that once hurt. See them bathing in the same golden radiance until their edges soften, until only understanding remains. Gratitude transforms memory into wisdom. And in a moment, I will ask you to bring your awareness back to your breath and notice how calm the mind feels. Notice how open the heart has become. And whisper softly, I live in a field of blessings. Each breath is a gift, every challenge a teacher, every moment sacred. Let this become the frequency you carry into your day and life. And when you're ready, take one final deep breath. Exhale slowly and open your eyes, anchored in coherence, radiating healing through gratitude.